subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under G series in Brazil called Moto G62 along with the Moto G42 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G62 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G62 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide hybrid lens with 180° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box with MyUX skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 20W turbo power charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.8 by 74 by 8.59mm, and it weighs around 184 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the Moto G62 5G smartphone at the moment, but it is expected to be priced around 1600 Brazilian reals. And it will be available in graphite and green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G62 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.